Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, we'll be discussing on how we can fix the error Riot Vanguard crashed on Windows 11. First, you need to make sure that the Riot Vanguard is not running on the background. To check this, go to the hidden icons below and see if the Riot Vanguard is running or not. As you can see here, the Riot Vanguard is not showing, meaning that it is not running as of now. After that, click on the search bar below and search for services, then open it. Now in here, look for VGC, right click on it, then select Properties and the pop-up. In the General section, make sure that the startup type is put on automatic. Next, under the service status, click the search button and wait for it to finish. Then click the apply and OK below. Now this should be able to fix the problem, but if the problem persists, then you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard, then install it again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.